My name is Sarah, and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the purple peel exploit recipe, which is helping thousands of people lose weight. I have some important alerts to share, so stay with me until the end of the video to not miss any information. The first thing you need to know about purple peel exploit is, be careful where you get this recipe, as the ingredients and preparation instructions are available only on the official website. To help you out, I've left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. The purple peel exploit is a completely natural recipe that is revolutionizing the way people lose weight. It was created to boost metabolism and help burn calories quickly, effectively, and sustainably, all without causing side effects. This recipe combines simple and 100% natural ingredients with an innovative formulation designed to directly target the most stubborn fat deposits in the body. The standout feature of the purple peel exploit recipe is that it acts as a natural metabolism booster, helping your body burn calories throughout the day, even while you're resting. In addition, it also helps control your appetite, reducing those uncontrollable cravings for sweets or high-calorie foods that can disrupt your weight loss journey. And why is the purple peel exploit recipe so effective? Here's the secret. Boosts basal metabolism. This causes your body to burn more calories, even when at rest. Breaks down stubborn fat, such as belly fat, back fat, and thigh fat, which are hard to eliminate with diet and exercise. Promotes a thermogenic effect, slightly increasing your body temperature, which naturally enhances calorie burning. The best part? It's a natural and safe solution since all the ingredients used in the recipe are derived from plants, minerals, and vitamins that are compatible with your body. Thousands of people have already tried the purple peel exploit, and the results are incredible. Many report that they were able to eliminate persistent fat in critical areas like the abdomen, back, and thighs, finally reaching the weight they've always wanted. If you're tired of trying to lose weight without success, it might be time to give the purple peel exploit recipe a try. Don't let stubborn fat continue to be a problem in your life. And there's more. You can test the purple peel exploit recipe for 90 days, and if you're not satisfied with the results or feel it's not for you, they will refund all your money. Now, a very important tip. If you want to ensure all the benefits of this recipe, get the instructions only from the official manufacturer's website. This prevents you from falling for scams and ensures you follow the original recipe. To make it easier, I've left the official link down below in the description of this video. Well, folks, we've reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. See you next time.